Terro say, yo dog, where you there? You know, say, brother, me I tell you the truth, me ready and thing already, you know, but guess what go on now? You know, say, Brii did put on her foundation still because you know, say, the mascara did a run down and she'd have to start bumbleclot. You make you miss it playing, dog. You lose.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. We are going to talk about a lot of interesting topics in the video. As you know, the Terro Don Silk Boss and Brii official controversy still are going. You don't know a lot of bashments and things and who right from wrong and who should know better. But let's see another upcoming video. Yeah.
When me see Brii attack, oh yeah man, me fuck you supposed to my pussy, Brii. Calm down, you look a fuck yourself, mama. Calm down, you look a fuck your blood clot self. Give you 2-3 more blood clot, ma. Remember, you know, there's a silk boss favor one donkey, and I have one donkey mouth with donkey teeth, you know. You, Brii, boy, you bleach up, cause you're not sweet. Brii, you don't sweet. You're not sweet. All I want people like that about say, Ruri, you're sweet. You're not sweet. You're not sweet. Tap bleach right now, dirty girl, I see sitting about them. You tap bleach right now because you think you're hot, you know. You know, you walk and look artist for fuck, you know, cause so look up when I groupie. You Brii, from me see groupie print out from blood clot. You're nothing for half at the blood clot table. Nothing. You're not for blood clot half a. Just a yamed and look somebody for blood clot in your mouth and look a fucking idiot silk boss. See boss, you want somebody to take a blood clot breadboard and fuck you up with it. You want the man them when they round you, well left round you. Take a breadboard and give you some blood clot licking at your head, pussy. You don't know nothing about being a blood clot man. You make me as a sodomite no more. Brother, you can't and take up blood clot, girl boy, you settle down, brother. You pussy. You know come in at the game with the bitch. This a warrior, you know, coming at the blood clot game with this a warrior. And I like say you and this a warrior asleep on couple ground. You and this a warrior dumpling and butter. You and this a warrior sleepless nights so you have nowhere to sleep. You and I like you bring this a blood clot warrior in the fame. You come meet this girl right here, so now you see say girl kick off your blood clot foot. Anybody can fuck Brii. Ask Ken, me see you want can fuck right now. As long as you at Brii, I go fuck you so Brii work. Brii pussy hot like a blood clot potty shop. Them you look a fucky girl, look on dirty Brii. You can't take up Brii boy, your blood clot settle down with fucky blood clot Brii. Brii fucky like dog. Me no need glasses to see that. Them the blood clot order. Them the fuck anything. Come on, Silk. You know you're not blood clot sweet. Eh? The man them show up the worst pitch to them with blood clot, you. When they you fucking mugly. You're not even ugly. You're mugly as fuck. Me if you say Jesus Christ. Look at Silk Boss. So Silk Boss, you know. You have length. Yeah, you're tall, but you know he's not a good looking fella. And you make this a blood clot ugly yamede. You're not even coming out of business as a general. And take up an independent blood clot germs. You can take up a blood clot fucky germs. Brii. You as an artist can there so boy you put Brii at forefront. You idiot boy. You ever see my wife on the live yet? No. I make it up and cuss and make nice every day like a yamed. Me. My wife don't have no time for them to think that. Because she not fucking me if you don't know with no blood class social media influencer. Or because you're hot. Pussy, you know, sister Brii, fuck you because you're hot. You got this your friend and pussy, you never this your friend and for your girl where you just meet, bitch. You idiot in a dog. You just start get look a pussy what you silk boss, you fall. Pussy, you look a 1, 2, look a tune them when you sing on the feet, brother, you don't know your style. And a blood clot style for a young look of youth. Come Brii. Brother, if you fuck 3, 4, 5, 6 Brii at night time. How would the blood clot there? Eh? You fool youth. Them you look at you made I want to hear them if you suck off your youth on a regular basis. You see me? That's a suck off your youth straight. Brii a junker. You don't know? Junker. And that you call them there. You see me I say? Them they can fuck you with your friend them. Them they make your friend them buttery. You see me? Them that drunk. You see me say? You go look decent blood clot girl pussy like you just start get like a pussy one day yourself as a joker. You idiot, brother. Brother, me can't just come in a blood clot business and act. Not even 1 year in a bumbo clot. I think I'm take up you me that settle down bumbo clot. You're a virgin. You're a virgin, brother. Brother, it's like so the first you get some pussy. You know? Brother, me not ever come in at the business as a hot blood clot artist. You know my pussy was dash for me. Bumbo clot end up on TikTok and wind up as a bad man say, boss, you can't take it serious. Bumbo clot there, brother. Brother, you make a yaman have you with the other friend and wind up in a house. You're not even a fucking two of them. Bumbo clot, brother, you're a clown, y'all. Silk boss is a waste, man. Silk boss is a big blood clot waste, man, brother. Brother, pussy, let me tell you how you work. You come in at the business, you see them, the hot fuck, they like Brii. Go fucky Brii. When you see Brii, you see Brii fucky like dog. Right now, send couple file for that drunk in my inbox, somebody. You see me send out the message to a couple of the warrior them with their yard right now. Warriors! Go forward, front and blood clot center. I could talk to them people. Wanna send Brii file to my blood clot seat now. Because that the drunker the silk boss you a fool. Terro Don tell us a drunker you know if alright then. Even if you feel like Terro pussy brother go and fucking drunker. Where your wife up drunker and I bring drunker on plane. Then you have wing already. Where you bring drunker on plane for brother. You look like idiot. For once you put a drunker on a plane, you lose as a man. As a man you have lost, bro. You lose. You can't put drunk up on plane. You just a come in a business. Oh yeah, the child follow me. Brother, I'm married to a catty. Almost 6 years with my wife there. We're married 3 years now. I'm supposed to carry the catty up on plane. It be dry everywhere. I'm a wife that I'm all that. You don't reach this yet. You just meet. This is your blood clot, yeah, media. This is your savings here. This is your blood clot sweet potato here. You just meet it. And what you do? Take it up. Bring it to England. You and Terro fall out. Terro say, yo, dog, where you there?
You know what's the brother, me I tell you the truth, me ready and thing already, you know, but guess what go on now? You know, say Brii did put on her foundation still because you know, say the mascara did a run down and she'd have to start
Bumbo clot. You make it, you make you miss a plane, dog. You lose. A couple bad charges you should have back of you. For you watch your head back. 4 man slap in your face. 4 man like how you operate and just give you one lick in your blood clot face. What thinking fucky Brii are gonna do? Suck off them who don't walk left you. Suck off them blood clot who don't walk left you like a big blood clot clown, menke janko clown. You Brii use her pussy to get what she want out of life. Brii, for your Brii to bring an education. Left back at school, I fucking a school back for a long time. School bus that I suck off hood in her. That would have couple sex tape and couple mouth pan hood some up and some scammer boy phone. Brother, you cannot take up your like Brii boy your wife up and you say yeah boy, you know said children kick you out of school. Are you singing your song so they kick you out of school and you prove to be a fool? You should have done. You should have go back at Jamal. Because this is a fucking idiot move you make. Terro Don should have. Hey, Almy. Let me tell you something, Silk Boss. I'm going to delete you from my playlist. Because I'm a little clown in a brother. Big man thing in a pussy. I'm a little clown. You understand me? I say, you're a fucking yamed, brother. You feel me? I deal with? You're a fucking idiot. When Brii done with bumbo clot, you know, remember I'm a Silk Boss. I could reason about on a dirty nowadays artists. Remember, you know, a couple of months to get boy, you know. Una no big for more than a couple of months. Una name hot for a couple of months at Jamaica alone. Cause foreign, the one don't know to do tough more than the Jamaica circle. You see me, I say? So, when you think say the Brii done with you now, when you're like a career drop and grow, what you think she gonna do? Start fuck King, start fuck Jashi, start fuck you all a blood clot, you know, cause a fuck she a fuck for what she want out of life, you know. Them the dirty you made there, you know. Brother, them the girl there where you make suck off your wood and you not tell nobody. Drunk crop. You never know that. No, you make your drunk make you lose everything. Cause remember, you know, brother, nobody not gonna advise you too tough, you know. You must know. With that big hole they can do for you, better make sure you start fuck be a producer for feed you, you know, boy. You see that sell pussy girl there? She I go fuck be a producer for blood clot make your voice. Remember that. And she a go be a new manager now. You's a fucking idiot. You don't know nothing about business, cause you're young. And brother, I can't believe say you're a bumbo clot 19 and you look like say you want to go up with chapel or blood clot ready. What is a blood clot you made you do for you? For deserve all of this, you know. You're an idiot. You smoke too much weed. It'll clap you. You see that? It'll clot you, man. The liquor where you drink, I fuck up you. You see me, I say? All you know, Terro that as a big man. You should have deal with it better. Remember, say this is a boy. And you put the boy where him there. Taking what page like look a batty man and them look a weird that a fuckery and look a girl pitney behavior. You see me, I say? Box down silk boss. You know, remember how teacher used to deal with the empire? You know, behave yourself, you get some blood clot lick. Why you never send two man go over the hotel go beat silk boss and Brii? It did hard for you though. All you have to do is just send two man go over there go kick them up in a them blood clot belly. If you did want silk boss to behave, none of this never did have to come on the media. Send couple man go beat him half the ear. Beat Brii half the blood clot ear. Remember, everybody a get licked. You see me, I say, you like one look a blood clot, look a fucking midget. That's a run round the place. You don't know nothing about the business. Beat the boy. And that him there for your pitney. And you put the boy where him there. You are going there for your, oh, what Ray, me I take a page and Ray make nice for the media. Yeah, idiot. Send me for send two man. Circle him in England. Kidnap him. Beat him. Make him know him blood clot self. You want your career or no? Nobody else now voice saying no. Be a lick your fear get you a little boy. You're a little boy. But you know what you do. You not say you manager, but you not manage nothing. You not think manager does a chat about blood clot money and through somebody want on 1 and 2 blood clot bookings? No, pussy hole. I know so it got Terro than you a fucking idiot. You don't know nothing about management, you. Oh, you a manager and make a fucking artist and manage you. As a manager, oh, you a make artists and bring gal and fucking bookings. You fucking dark and fall, man. Me a bring artists guy England where I bring gal boy. You can't even turn up on your own bumbucklad foot yet as an artist. But you bring gal. Terro than you fool. You don't manage no career, man. You allow the fucking idiot to lose. You see say them your blood clot mobby artists, you idiot. You know say them can't manage not even them fucking egg to fry properly. And you left him up for bring a Yamed guy England so you could have missed flight. You no miss a flight, he miss it. You know manage nothing, man. Oh, the Yamed reach England in the first place and I manager. The artist now have no say one say under management, you know. How the management has say, my father. You see me? You don't know nothing about blood clot management, you. You make this a look a fucking 19-year-old boy you run your blood clot head when you are the manager. Because first of all, if me a manage Silk Boss, him can't have that the blood clot you made up and not playing with me. Pussy will idiot girl you have to stay a yard. When the man come back, him shove him within him out. You understand me I say? But for right now, you are got blood clot England. Where Yamed did I go? How the Yamed even get involved? You is to be blamed towards the bumbucklad manager. You understand me? Because you are making career loose. You are giving too much blood clot leverage. If him not have so much leverage, why you give him? You are giving. You are making fly high. You see me I say? You not manage nothing. You not govern nothing. Because if you not govern nothing, this year would not happen. What is government? What is management? You need to go look up them there in a dictionary. You have to manage your blood clot artist. Manage the everything and make sure everything in a straight bumbo clot line. Like when you're in a lunch line, because you look like you love me, I'm not Terro Don. You see when you're in a lunch line, you go buy the box food and them thing there, and you have to line up. Same way, you have to line up every blood clot thing, everything in order. And you too, make this a gun way out of hand. Because you make it fucking yummy that run the wall on the head. Because you look like you're afraid that this is a fucking blood clot, girl, yeah. All your blood clot silk bars look like you just start get look a pussy, because brother, let me tell you this. Girl like bro, I'm slam and blood clot lock like a door.